Hey guys, it's Cal from the Lighting Doctor here. I hope you guys enjoy this video with some more great landscape lighting tips. To learn more about landscape lighting, go and check out our website at lightingdoctor.ca, or if you want to see what a real quality landscape light should look like, go and check out our Try It Before You Buy It offer, where you can get a premium quality fixture at a discounted rate with your very own battery pack, so you can go and test out how that light's going to look and feel what a real premium quality light should look like. So go and check us out at lightingdoctor.ca, or go watch more videos on YouTube just by searching for the Lighting Doctor. Hey guys, it's Cal from the Lighting Doctor here. We're going to show you how to light up your landscape with the King Innovation Instalite. So this is a great tool that we use to go and demo different types of lights to find out what light is going to look best where. So all it is, it's a very simple battery operated pack that just takes 8 AA batteries, and then what you can do with it is you can actually go and plug in your light, whatever light it is, whether it be a path light, a wash light, a wall light, or an accent light. You can go and just plug that into your Instalite, and you can go walk around your property and test out all the different areas that you're thinking of lighting and seeing which lights look best in which location and where you want to position those lights to get the best effect that you're looking for. It's a super easy tool that comes in all our do-it-yourself kits, as well as our Try It Before You Buy It offers, where you can go and now test out these lights, feel the quality, see how they're going to look before you go and make any big decisions on your landscape lighting project. And if you're looking for even more help, you can go and access our free consultation series, where you can actually send me pictures of your property, and we're going to go do our best to help you determine which lights to use in the best locations and where to use them. And then you can go test out those practices with the King Innovation Instalite. So go and access that at lightingdoctor.ca, and I hope you guys find this tool as valuable as we do. Hey guys, it's Cal from the Lighting Doctor here. This is the DBRY waterproof landscape lighting connectors. These are great for long-lasting, low-voltage landscape lighting connections. Each one of these tubes is gel filled to help keep the water out, as well as it's got a snapping mechanism to keep your wires from pulling apart, which ensures that you're going to have long-lasting connections for all your low-voltage landscape lighting. Hey guys, it's Cal from the Lighting Doctor here. I just want to show you guys the rubber mallets that we use for helping secure our landscape lighting. This is something you want to use to go and make sure that you're getting your ground stakes for your landscape lights into the ground as solid as possible, so that you don't find them tilting over and breaking down the road. Go and get a rubber mallet to help you with your landscape lighting project. It's Cal from the Lighting Doctor here. We're going to show you how to light up your landscape with the MR16 LED lamp and the T3 LED lamps from FX Luminaire. So these are great options if you have an existing halogen system that's a fairly decent quality system and you just want to go and upgrade that and elevate that with LEDs. That's where you can use these MR16 drop-in bulbs, which we use in all our LED fixtures that we currently sell in our do-it-yourself kits. We use these because not only are they some of the most efficient and long-lasting on the market, they also give you all kinds of different options to be able to play with different brightnesses and beam spreads. So for example, if you're trying to light a flag stick and you need to have a narrower beam to really push that light up to the top of that flag stick, that's where you can go play with the different MR16 LED lamps from FX Luminaire. So we got lots of great videos if you're looking on what kind of intensities and different angles to use on your landscape lighting, or you can go and access our free consultation videos, where we can actually go and help you determine what's going to be the best angles and the best lights to use on your project. The other light we have is our T3 LED lamp, again from FX Luminaire, which is also one of the most efficient lamps on the market and the longest lasting ones on the market that you'll find in all our path lights, all our wash lights. And again, another great example, if you're just trying to go and retrofit your existing halogen system, these are a great option that most of the time, if you have a good quality halogen system from a name brand, you can usually just go and pull out those halogen lamps and replace it with an LED lamp that's going to last for a long time and just elevate your system. So to get more help on that, again, go and access our free consultation video series at lightingdoctor.ca, or go and watch all kinds more of our YouTube videos by searching for Lighting Doctor. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, I really hope you enjoyed that video presentation with some great tips and tools on how to go and properly and effectively light up your landscape. And be sure, if you want your own free consultation video, just send me an email at cal@lightingdoctor.ca with a few pictures of your property, and we'll get back to you with some really cool ideas and ways to go and effectively light your property. And be sure to watch the videos after this one for more tips on how to install landscape lighting, as well as how to light up your landscape the best way possible.